Hello again. This video today we're going to be looking at basic addition, and it's broken down into 3 parts. So here we are with part 1. We're just going to be looking at the lower beads and sliding them up to add a number. Just 2 steps. We're going to set the number and then you slide up those lower beads. So let's take an example. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Set 1 on the soroban, slide up 2 lower beads, and there's your answer, 3. Let's look at another one. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the first thing we do is set 2 on the soroban, and then slide up 2 lower beads to give 4. In this example, we're starting with 5. Now we slide up 2 lower beads. That gives our answer of 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And here's one more example. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So we set 6 on the soroban, slide up 3 lower beads to give 9. Now in part 2, we're just using the upper bead to add numbers. There are just 2 steps here. You set the first number, and now we slide down the upper bead. So let's look at an example. 2 plus 5 equals 7. We'll set 2 on the soroban. To add 5, we simply slide down that upper bead to give 7. Here's another example. 4 plus 5 equals 9. We start by setting 4 on the soroban. Now we slide down the upper bead to give 9. Part 3 is using both the upper and lower beads. This time there are 3 steps. We're going to set the first number, then we slide down the upper bead before sliding up any lower beads. This is our first example. 3 plus 6 equals 9. We're going to set 3 on the soroban. First thing we do is slide down that upper bead to give 8, and then we slide up 1 lower bead to give 9. Here's another example. 1 plus 7 equals 8. On the soroban we'll set 1. Now we're going to slide down the upper bead to give 6, and then slide up 2 lower beads to give 8.